quickly. Stay with me, Barb.
The ship, it just... They spawn. Billions of people.
That's only the beginning. Brainiacs destabilize the planet's core. Don't hold together much longer.
Search. Isn't there something you can do?
That's why we're here.
Spaceship. That's what you've been working on?
Your Uncle Joel discovered a planet that can sustain Kryptonians far away from Brainiac. He's built it just like this for your cousin Cal.
But Cal... It's just a baby.
Which is why we need to protect him. Teach him our ways.
Me teach him? What about you? No. No, I won't you. Please. Please don't make me.
I can't come with you, but you'll never be alone. You belong to the House of El, Kara. A house of... Never forget that. Never give up hope. Get in!
In my years fighting crime, I've learned one truth. That every villain is the hero of his own story. Superman was no exception. The Joker drugged him, tricked him into killing his pregnant wife Lois, and made him trigger the bomb that nuked Metropolis. So when Superman killed the Joker, I understood why. We all did. But once that line was crossed, was no going back. He gave himself and the Justice League a new mandate. Stop all crime before him, by any means necessary. But he could see his good intentions were leading him down to tyranny and evil. That greatest hero became our greatest threat.
So what if Superman's pulling criminals out of Arkham? They're the worst of the worst.
He's going to kill them, Damian.
Sounds like justice to me.
Killing people isn't justice. Superman can't see that. He's grieving. He needs time to heal.
Yeah, and what if it had been Gotham? If Joker had killed me, your own son? Thought he'd say that. It's not responding. We're being taken to the Batcave.
Prepare to eject. A warning shot, Cyborg.
I won't hurt you unless I have to.
You're gonna have to.
My friends were in Metropolis, Batman. Starfire, Beast Boy, gone. We do this, that never happens again.
You're right to be angry, but it's not a blank check. And the Justice League isn't a death squad. Begin. Push yourself harder.
I won't break anything important. big guns. I'm almost embarrassed for you.
You don't see it yet, but Superman's wrong. Glider skills need work.
Yeah, I'm fine. Thanks for asking.
Let's go.
So you won't kill, but you're fine. Traumatic brain is.
Secure the ring box.
The hell, Bruce?
From being a terrible mistake.
Most wanted this, but the Joker are Metropolis your world. Now we have to change with it.
Like this.
Of all, I would understand.
Begin.
Taste my blade.
There's no place to hide.
I need you to tell me the truth. Where is he?
Cell block C. You can't turn your back on him. He needs you.
That's why I came.
Where we going? I ain't going nowhere till you tell me what's happening.
Get back in line! Now! Two minutes.
You're better than this, Clark.
These inmates are irredeemable. They're thieves, rapists, murderers. Like the Joker. That's the problem with fighting for truth and justice. The battle never ends.
And executing will end it? First Joker, now this. When did it stop?
When there's no more crime. When people can live without fear. We want the same thing, Bruce.
I wanted to kill my parents' murderer. I could have. But that's a life they wanted for me. And it's not the life Lois would want for you.
Don't you put that on me. A red solar grenade.
To dull your powers, you need to stop. Take time to grieve before it's too late.
You wouldn't...
No!
You're supposed to be my friend.
Which is why I have to stop you.
Begin.
I will pulverize you.
There's no place to hide.
This is for your own good. I'll never stop fighting. I will pulverize you. This is for your own good.